Hi guys, this is Kevin from KKOA. Today we're going to do another one of our how-to videos. Today we're going to take on a much needed task that I've been kind of putting off. Today we're going to replace our awning on our RV. Come along with us as we do a step-by-step on how to replace your awning on your RV. This video is being sponsored by Awning. They are a maker of covers with RV awnings and boat covers and RV covers. You can check them out on Amazon, but they have reached out to us and asked us if we would take a look at one of their products. We're going to go ahead and replace our awning at the same time. As you can see, we definitely were in need replace our awning. It's been ripping at the corners a lot of time, and you can also see along there's a bunch of little tears and little holes that are all along the edge. And every time it rains, it always has a tendency to leak and drip down, so it definitely is in need of changing our awning. One of the first things we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take our LED light strip. We need to get our LED light strip. We're going to disconnect the wiring, and so we can pull the light strip off our existing awning. Alright, so now we go ahead and retract the awning in till it's about a foot out. Get some zip ties, secure both arms up. You can use zip ties or straps or anything. I would suggest to go ahead and make sure you zip tie it in 2 or 3 different locations, because once you release the spring, it does get it'll want to drop down. Yeah, so there's a screw that holds on the shaft. I just rotate it and the arm will fall off.
Okay.
We're going to slowly roll it down. The one thing we got to mark though, there's 2 screws. There's one for the top and there's one for the little trim. We need to find a way to mark which one's which. I'm going to just scratch it, and that way you can indicate which slot it goes in. So I would just do the one with the main awning, not the little flap that hangs over. All right, so pop the cap off on one end. Now it should just slide along the tube. Almost. All right, there we are. We just need to take
the safety screws up top.
The safety screw up top and then slide it out the same way. This is what it looks like after the awning, everything off. So you just got your old fabric off, got all your pieces off, and now it's time to get out your new awning and put it back and reverse the steps. All right, this part of the video, Awning had contacted us about checking out one of their products that they had. So today we're going to take a look at the awning from Awning. In the box, so it comes with little tie-down straps, so that way you can tie it down when you secure the awning whenever it's extended. I know this vinyl seems much thicker than my factory vinyl. Yeah, this vinyl is a 19 ounce heavy duty vinyl. It's definitely much sturdier and much thicker than my factory awning that I had. Looks pretty nice. This right here is the 2-tone. Oh, this is pretty. This is really nice. This is heavy duty vinyl. I really like this. The quality on this is really good compared to the other. We'll just lay it out. This is the kind of the fade, the 2-tone. The one thing we noticed different, this was a lippered awning. The factory one had a dual channel to where the LED light bars slid on the bottom one, and then you had the top channel. However, having a different awning, it only has one channel at the top that slides in. We'll just permanently attach our LED light strip up at the top. And then just to kind of help make it slide in easier, I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant in the track. It may go on, but with it being new and everything, it may be a little tough to try to slide it into tracks. All right, this next step, you may want to have a third person, just because we're having to slide it on the end, and sometimes you just need that extra person to kind of hold it as we got it. And just to protect it, we're going to put just a towel a rag or something just over this edge, because when we took our old one off, didn't really matter, but since we got a new vinyl, we don't want to catch it on that aluminum because it can be kind of sharp. The edge of your cap. Go and put your cap on. So now we'll put our screws in. All right, so now we need to roll it back up. You need to move your ladder up more. I thought you was lifting weights. All right, you ready? Continue rolling.
Don't do it all the way. You gotta put it in there.
Yep. Because we're gonna have to adjust it before we put the security one in.
Okay.
But you can go ahead now. We'll get our zip ties cut. Okay. So now we want to go ahead and extend the awning. Now, how does yours look?
That's stupid of me.
What? Take out your other screw and we'll slide it a little bit. I'll put a link in the description down below. There is a complete video that I made on how to adjust your awning. I'll put that into the link into this video so you can see on how to adjust your awning. That's what we're doing right now. All right, that's how you do the awning, how you replace the awning. Really not that hard of a job. It definitely requires a second person, so you do need a second, maybe even a third person to kind of help. Probably takes about an hour to do. I think this is something anyone could do. This is kind of a do-it-yourself project. Not too bad, not too difficult to do. You definitely need to have a second person to give you a hand when you do it. I'm impressed with this awning that came from Fonzier. So one thing about Fonzier, they have a 100% warranty guarantee, so they guarantee the quality of their products. This vinyl replacement is definitely much thicker vinyl. It's a 19-ounce vinyl. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in ordering Fonzier. They're actually pretty affordable for a quality product. So I would recommend them. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it that thumbs up and continue to hit that little subscribe button down below. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video from Kevin at KKOA. All right, bye.